Improving your maintenance strategy sounds simple enough. But if it was that easy, why are you still getting so many breakdowns? Why risk people's lives? And why not make more money for your business? That's why we developed the Asset Management, Maintenance and Reliability Professional Training Program. Understand the strategy, develop the business vision and objectives to match the strategy through an asset management program. Learn the techniques and the fundamental choices that you need to make to improve the strategy. Optimize even further with reliability-centered maintenance, and then improve through better maintenance planning and scheduling techniques or failure investigation and root cause analysis. I'm super excited to be bringing our AMMR professional training program through the Institute of Materials, Minerals and Mining, which is now approved for professional development. We're offering 4 courses as part of this program. You can take one, or you can take all 4 if you want to go through the whole program of the professional maintenance journey. Asset management fundamentals, strategy development fundamentals, optimization with reliability-centered maintenance, and failure investigation and root cause analysis. To register your place now, go to the IOM website at www.iom3.org, or of course, you can go to our website, projectengineeringmanagement.co.uk. I look forward to seeing you at one of these courses, or maybe even 4. See you soon.